They're not giving us any information as to what is happening, what they intend to do with them. They're not saying that they shall present them in court tomorrow. I understand that Omtatah has been taken to Njiru police station, and that's where we are going. Because we also see whether we can bail him out. We are looking for freedom. We are fighting for freedom.
Yes, freedom.
You know, we are looking for freedom because freedom has become very evasive in this country. And I'm very sure we shall get freedom. At the fullness of time, freedom shall reign.
What is your advice to the people of Kenya?
And the advice to the people of Kenya is that they should keep going. They should make more resolutions in the new year to make sure that we restore the rule of law in this country and constitutionalism. We are not going to give up. What they say, viva, viva, and luta continua. We shall fight for freedom. Mamada. We shall fight for freedom until we get to see where freedom is. At least that is the minimum guarantee the Constitution gives us. We shall fight to defend the Constitution of this country. We shall fight to defend our rights on the streets. Because when we go to the streets, we're not committing any crime. We are only doing what the Constitution tells us that we should do. And we shall do it, and we shall not be stopped. We are going to look for Omtatah until we get to see him.
Viva!
Viva!